Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we are diving into the world of e-commerce automation with a look at the 7 best e-commerce automation tools, covering their features and costs. Let's break down our agenda. First up, we'll explore what exactly e-commerce automation is. Then, we'll dive into the details of each of the best e-commerce automation tools. Finally, we'll wrap up with some thoughts on the future of e-commerce automation. So, let's get started. 1. E-commerce automation involves using technology to simplify various e-commerce activities like order processing, inventory management, customer service, and marketing. 2. Now, on to the best e-commerce automation tools. Shopify Flow. Known for its versatility and usability, Shopify Flow is a top choice for streamlining e-commerce operations. And the best part? It's free! CarStack. This tool helps reduce cart abandonment and boost sales with features like email and SMS reminders. Prices start at $39 for the basic plan and $69 for Pro. Salesforce E-commerce Cloud. With its unified commerce platform and omnichannel capabilities, Salesforce E-commerce Cloud is a powerhouse. Pricing varies based on the plan. Recharge. Perfect for subscription-based businesses, Recharge automates recurring charging and subscription management, starting at $30 per month. Zapier. Known for its flexibility, Zapier automates time-consuming processes, starting at $19 per month. Keep. Ideal for small businesses, Keep offers a feature-rich CRM and marketing automation tool. Pricing depends on the plan. AutomateVoo. Designed for WooCommerce, AutomateVoo helps boost sales and simplify operations. Pricing varies based on the plan. 3. In conclusion, investing in automation can take your online store to new heights of productivity and profitability. Just remember to choose the tool that best fits your needs and goals. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to share and subscribe for more content. Until next time, take care and see you in the next video. Bye.